Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be the part 5 of our zoning and delivery fee management playlist. So in the first video, we went over the overview that is required because I show you how to set up your zone. So please, if you didn't see that, check out the first video, then move on to the second, which is going to be our suggested method of how you should handle delivery fees. And then moving from there, we have two other options that you can look at, which are the other two pay structures for your delivery fees. And then lastly, we're going to show you one additional thing that you can do in order to manage your location. So all of the structures here that I already showed in the videos previously. So from here, when you're at the restaurant's profile, you have the set up your delivery fees, and then you have a field called per minute surge setup. Okay. Now, if mileage-based fees are enabled, this will be presented as a surge fee to the customer at checkout. Okay. This basically means that they will get charged a X amount of dollars per minute for long drive times. This doesn't necessarily mean that you have, let's say, a crazy busy location, but if there are deliveries that you're doing that are, let's say, 12, 13, 14, 15 miles away, and they're going to take a little longer, you can input a amount per minute. And as you can see here, there is something that happens in a calculation when you input this number. The number of minutes for the shortest route will be multiplied by this number, and if it's greater than the established delivery fee, which we will have in the mileage-based fees, the difference will be added as a surge fee line. So what does this mean? This means that if our, let's say, delivery fee is $7, right? And the driver needs 10 minutes to get there, okay? Let's just say in this ideal scenario, and you're charging $1 per minute, okay? This means that for those 10 minutes, the driver should, for those 10 minutes, driver should make it 7 miles away, right? So our delivery fee, let's say it's $5 for those 7 miles. There is a difference. So there's 10-minute drive, a $5 delivery fee, and then if we have a surge fee, we will add that difference. So the surge fee is going to show up as $5 extra, okay? Now, obviously, you can use any number you want. You can charge a quarter per minute. That's also reasonable because then it evens out. And then if there is something that the Google Maps sees that it's going to take a little bit longer than usual, then you can rack up that extra few dollars so your driver can be happy. They don't feel like they're wasting time sitting in traffic delivering an order, right? Or they're driving a little further away, so they can be compensated a little extra. Now you can check this off, which is update the fee on the checkout page with predictive drive times. Okay, so what this does, it's auto dispatch, and all of our calculations in the system are going to determine how long will the driver need from the restaurant to the customer. If you use this, the system will try to update the fee including this amount per minute to get the best possible price or delivery fee as possible. So this is just an additional feature. You don't have to use it. If you do choose to use it, just make sure you set up a realistic price. We wouldn't go over $50 because sometimes you might get search fees that are way too high and way greater than the actual delivery fees that are going to show up on checkout. So with that, we're going to conclude our zoning and delivery fees management playlist. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're going to have Confluence articles explaining everything in a little more depth. So if you have any questions or you have trouble with any of these features, please drop a support ticket and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.